I'm back in the saddle again.
Some MCs commit adultery with the whack. Man, you should have a scarlet letter on your chest and on your back. Wow, most wannabes be incomplete. I be taking treks through you kinds of silly rhymes and low-fat beats. Late night, it's uncharted territory. Sharpening my skills while others run out West Side Story. Some study in their leagues of Ivy, but I receive an A+ from Slammer Beats on Keys of Ivy. And some things like the swings of bass strings. I walk and talk frequently with the King of Kings. Do all the stuff which makes you glad. I bring real to the word hip while leaving other MCs mad. Now, not to glory in myself, but I've been through so much junk, it wasn't good for my health. And to keep the story from being left undone, I run to the one who gave these words I quickly turned to puns.
This convention's underway for this hip-hop tour.
A whole congress of mics and platforms to explore.
A new breed of MC come into one accord.
Sometimes with simile, sometimes with metaphor.
Get your convention together for this hip-hop tour.
A whole congress of mics and platforms to explore.
A new breed of MC comes into one accord.
Sometimes with simile, sometimes with metaphor.
Now some mistake me for scared when I chill and let my engine churn, cause I'm that kid in the back of the room waiting to impress you with my turn. Because I learned it's a gift and call, not just musical preference. So with MCs that surround me, they all use my rhymes for reference. Cause when beats be played by lips, I don't dodge saliva. I strap on my mask and snorkel and transform to scuba diver. I ain't afraid of getting wet, I represent Christ as an MC. And be taking listeners' earlobes 20,000 leagues from the sea. With simile and metaphor, descriptions being said, speaking parable like so you can see the pictures in my head. And then hang them on the blank walls that be inside your brain. Whether wallpaper or the photographs, I still in Christ's name. With purple rain verbally falling like the wall in Jericho. Freestyling with schools of fish call me the hip-hop jock who stole. Cause when I flow, mics get wet, but yours be dry like a martini. I pull out rabbits from my hat by their ears like I'm Houdini.
This convention's underway for this hip-hop tour.
A whole congress of mics and platforms to explore.
A new breed of MCs comes into one accord.
Sometimes with simile, sometimes with metaphor.
Get your convention together for this hip-hop tour.
A whole congress of mics and platforms to explore.
A new breed of MC comes into one accord.
Sometimes with simile, sometimes with metaphor.
I be the speaker of the house with the 70-30 vote. Always down with playing hero, never down with playing GOAT. And like the Wonder Twins I take form of, a bucket of rhymes with flight patterns of a dove. Yet, at most modern day rap I'm sickened. Therefore, I leave other MCs foul like chicken. As for my heart it has been cleansed. But see, I'll never cease ripping devil MCs causing sin.
Now Elohim make rhymes gleam, so I walk with a glowing head. Plus I get my rhymes supply from kneeling down beside my bed and conversate with the creator while my bushes start to burn. I bring the light to the underground like if I was a glowworm. So I squirm writing rhymes as fat as my waist is. And on stages I'm taking way back to manger birthplaces. Cause the race is sufficient for me, and that's for sure. So I bring lyrical gifts to God in place of frankincense and myrrh.
This convention's underway for this hip-hop tour.
A whole congress of mics and platforms to explore.
A new breed of MCs comes into one accord.
Sometimes with simile, sometimes with metaphor.
Get your convention together for this hip-hop tour.
A whole congress of mics and platforms to explore.
A new breed of MC comes into one accord.
Sometime with simile, sometime with metaphor.